We are on the school squad this morning. Can you believe it's back to school time? Of course, everybody wants to make sure that students are getting as many vitamins and minerals as they can. And the good folks, the Connecticut-grown folks at Mountain Dairy up in stores are continuing to lead that charge. Joining me now, Stacy Stearns, a 10th generation farmer. 10 generations there in Mansfield in stores, and they have been providing great milk and dairy products all the way back to the late 1800s and more products even back to the late 1700s. A pleasure to meet you.
Hi, Tim. Nice to meet you. Thanks for having us here today.
Glad to have you here. We love Connecticut. We love Connecticut homegrown, and that is the family, that is the products. Please tell us about sort of your partnerships with a lot of local schools there, what you guys do to help make sure that these students are getting the vitamins and minerals that they need.
Yeah, so dairy is a really great product. It's filled with vitamins and minerals that are essential for growth and development at any stage. It's also a great source of protein. So we are partial to dairy as a dairy farm, but when the students are drinking milk, it's a really good source of those vitamins and nutrients that they need to sustain them through that long day of school, to help them stay focused, to recharge them after time on the playground. Yeah. So it's one of those essential drinks, and it's also really affordable for both the schools and the families. Your average glass of milk costs 41 cents a glass. That's a really economical price point, especially when everybody is feeling the crunch of whatever demands they have.
Now, last week we had a bunch of different school districts in to talk about sort of foods that they provide for students. A lot of them were talking about sustainability. And, well, you guys are just right in line with that, aren't you?
Yeah, and you see here on the table we've got plastic bottles, but that sustainability is really key. A lot of your schools have what they call a cow, and the students go up with their glass of milk, and then they fill it from the metal dispenser. And so what we do is we sell our milk to the schools, whether it's a university or an elementary, high school, middle school, in a bag, and the bags fill the cow at the cafeteria. The students get their milk on demand. Any milk that's left over when it gets near the end doesn't get wasted. They use that for cooking in the schools instead. We do this with the town of Mansfield, where our farm is, because they wanted to have a carbon neutral school. So it's a really nice way to have sustainability in the dining halls.
And you had mentioned universities, Yale, ECSU, Eastern Connecticut too. How are you working with them?
Yes, so our milk is also in many of the universities across the state, Yale, Eastern, UConn, Connecticut College as well. We have partnered with them either directly or through our food distribution services.
That is fantastic. Yeah. And it doesn't stop there. Like, well, what was it? Billy Mays used to say, but wait, there's more. Mountain Dairy also gets involved in events like lacrosse championships. You've collaborated with organizations like the Talent Education Foundation. How?
Yeah, so a lot of those happen organically. People contact us. We work with Connecticut Dairy to find opportunities where there's youth sports teams or others that want support. We're happy to donate our products to those organizations and support our community. You know, we live in the town. We're part of that town. We want to see it grow. We're part of this community in this state.
Can I try some?
Yes.
I know you had asked me, and initially I said no because I didn't want everybody to sit here and watch me drink milk, but it's so good. My son unfortunately has a dairy protein allergy, so I haven't had whole milk in I don't know how long. It's at least 7 years, maybe 8 years going back. So why don't you talk a little bit more just about the farm, about how you guys have grown, and about your history too in the short time we have. And I'm going to grab some chocolate milk myself while you do that. Please.
Yeah, so our farm is, as you said, I'm 10th generation. The 11th generation is coming up behind us, and they are already taking active roles and excited about it. So dairy farmers live and work on our farm. So I live on our farm, and we're there every day. Cows, you know, we take really good care of our cows because they are part of our family. They are part of how we have a business. So protecting the farm, protecting the land is important for that next generation, and then making these delicious, wholesome products that our community can enjoy.
Oh, this is like drinking cream for somebody who hasn't had the chance to do it. It is delicious. And while I'm drinking, ctdairy.org, that is a very important website. You wanted to make sure people knew. So it's not just about your farm, too. You want to make sure that all of the farms, I imagine, dairy farms in Connecticut.
There are dairy farms throughout the state offering delicious products just like ours.
And this is fantastic, guys. So good. Listen, nothing against, you know, plant-based milks and things like that when you have to have it, but it can't beat the real thing, can it? This is so good, so creamy. The mouthfeel is something that I miss. You know what I mean? It's a little bit more viscous in the way that you really want to have it. Oh, that is so good. Stacy, thank you so much.
Thank you, Tim.
You made my day.